Hi everyone. So in our last classes, you people written one test regarding respiration in organisms. Today we are going to discuss answer for those questions. Okay. Respiration in organisms. Roman letter 1. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. During aerobic respiration, dash and dash are released along with a large amount of energy. During aerobic respiration. See, respiration is of two types. One is aerobic respiration and another one is anaerobic respiration. What is aerobic respiration? Aerobic meaning in presence of oxygen. If respiration takes place in presence of oxygen, that respiration is called aerobic respiration. Okay. In presence of oxygen, respiration takes place. What do you mean by respiration? Production of energy, isn't it? So, the food digested, no, the food after digestion, nutrients are absorbed by the small intestine and they are assimilated to all parts of the body, that is all cells of the body. So in cells what happened, that food, that is the absorbed food, combines with, if it combines with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water along with large amount of energy. Have you understand? Along with carbon dioxide and water. So, in aerobic respiration, what are the products obtained along with energy? Carbon dioxide and water. Question number 2. Cellular respiration takes place in the dash of cell. Cellular respiration meaning respiration taking place inside the cell. If the respiration takes place inside cell, that is cellular respiration. Inside cell, there are so many parts are there. There are called so many organelles. A nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Like that, so many organelles are there. Especially respiration takes place in the mitochondria of the cell. Mitochondria is one of the organelle, that is one of the part which is present inside the cell. Okay, next question. Question number 3. The respiratory organ of fish is dash. So respiratory organ means the organ which is involved in respiration is called respiratory organ. In fish, gills are the respiratory organ because it contains blood vessels, and we know that respiration, for respiration we need oxygen. Like human beings, fish also need oxygen. So oxygen will travel to all parts of the cells with the help of blood. So gills are the place where we can find blood capillaries. So through that only it oxygen, dissolved oxygen, because water contains hydrogen and oxygen, no, that dissolved oxygen enters into the fish body through the gills. So gills are the respiratory organ of fish. Fourth question. Our dash help in preventing dirt, dust and germs from entering our respiratory system. I repeat, our does help in preventing dirt, dust and germs from entering our respiratory system. Respiratory system, we know it starts from our nose, isn't it? Nose, then what it is, larynx, pharynx, trachea and then lungs. And if you take lungs, in lungs also bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli are there, isn't it? Okay, among all our respiratory system only, in which in this respiratory system, DAS helps to prevent the dirt, dust and germs from entering our respiratory system. The entry of our respiratory system is nose. In nose we are having nostrils, that is two openings are there, no, right and left opening, they are called openings are called as nostrils. So nostrils help in preventing the dirt, dust and germs, because inside the nostrils we are having very small hairs and all that hairs prevent these dust, germs and dirt things. Okay, question number 5. The various organs in the DAS system of humans are nostrils, nasal passage, nasal cavity, windpipe, lungs. So which system is having all these organs together? Obviously, respiratory system. Okay. And windpipe is otherwise called trachea. Okay. Question number 6. The organ that is responsible for speech is the DAS, and otherwise it also called by another name, that also it was given. So DAS or DAS. The organ which is responsible for our speech is larynx. That is, it is present in the throat region. That is called what? Larynx, and otherwise called voice box, because from that box only voice will come out. So that is responsible for our speech. So the organ which is responsible for the speech is called larynx or voice box. So it is well seen in boys than girls. It is called Adam's apple. They will use it to say in throat. You can in boys you might see somewhat it was protruded outside. It's bulged one. That is nothing but voice box or called larynx. Question number 7. During the process of inhalation, diaphragm dash and moves dash. During the process of inhalation. What is inhalation? Inhalation is intake of air is inhalation. What is exhalation? Expel out. Anything expelled out is exhalation. So during inhalation, what happened? The diaphragm is the thing which is present below the lungs, isn't it? During that inhalation, what we are doing, we are inhaling air. So more amount of oxygen which is present in the atmosphere enters into the lungs. At that time, the diaphragm what will do? It contracts. Contracts means strings, and it moves downwards. Because large amount of air is going to fill the lungs. That is, the lung is going to expel. So at that time, diaphragm what it will do? It contracts and moves downwards. Question number 8. The gas dash is in a higher percentage or amount when we exhale or breathe out. So we are breathing in and we are breathing out. Breathe in is called inhalation, breathe out is exhalation. While exhalation, what gas we are expelling out? Obviously, it is nothing but carbon dioxide, because every cells will do in respiration. In cellular respiration, all the cells remove carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide mixes with the blood and it reaches the alveoli, then bronchioles, bronchi, then it reaches trachea, then voice box, and then nasal cavity. At last, through nostrils it will be released out, that is expelled out. That gas is nothing but carbon dioxide. Question number 9. Insects possesses special organs called dash for respiration. See, I told lungs, for us so many respiratory organs are there. If you take fish, it is gills. Like that, if you take insects, what is their respiration? Which organ is special for respiration? That is nothing but spiracles, which are present on the sides of the body. They are called what? Spiracles. Question number 10. Dash are tiny pores that are present on the surface of the plant through which gaseous exchange occurs. See, like human beings and animals, even plants are also do gaseous exchange for both photosynthesis as well as respiration, isn't it? For photosynthesis also they use they will use carbon dioxide and release oxygen. For respiration, they utilize that oxygen and release carbon dioxide, isn't it? So the gaseous exchange is taking place in plants also with the help of stomata, because stomata are very very small pores means holes which are present on the leaves. Okay, for photosynthesis also photosynthesis and respiration, both gaseous exchange is taking place in plants. Question number 11. Breathing rate during exercise is increased. See, breathing rate is nothing but one inhalation and one exhalation is breathing rate. Our breathing rate means how many times we are inhaling and exhaling. one inhalation and one exhalation is equal to one breathing rate. So normal breathing rate will be present in adults. So if we are doing heavy exercise, what happen? Our breathing rate will starts to increase, because during heavy exercise we need energy, more energy. For more energy, what we will do? We will inhale more oxygen. Okay, so at that time our energy during our breathing rate will be increased. Question number 12. The process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Energy release is nothing but respiration by breaking the food along with oxygen. Okay. When DAS enters our body, it combines with hemoglobin to form a new substance called oxyhemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the content which is present in our blood. Oxy represents oxygen. So what if hemoglobin plus what gives oxyhemoglobin? Oxygen. Question number 14. Muscle cramps occur due to accumulation of DAS in the muscles. Muscle cramps, if we when we are doing heavy activities, heavy exercise or any physical activities, what happens? Our cells need more respiration. So when there is a shortage of more amount of oxygen, what anaerobic respiration takes place. That is, in absence of oxygen, our cell starts to produce energy. So at that time, lactic acid will be produced. That lactic acid accumulate in our muscles, and that leads to muscle cramps. That leads to muscle cramps. So muscle cramps will be muscle cramps occur due to the accumulation means deposition of what? Lactic acid. And when it will happens? During anaerobic respiration. Anaerobic means in absence of oxygen. When will anaerobic respiration takes place in our body? Not in all condition. Generally aerobic respiration is only taking place, but when we are doing any heavy activity or any heavy physical exercise, at that time only anaerobic respiration takes place. So when anaerobic respiration takes place, along with energy, what is the main product? Lactic acid. In aerobic respiration, what is the main product? First question we discussed, carbon dioxide and water. Okay. Question number 15. When there is a temporary deficiency of oxygen in the muscle cells, they begin to respire anaerobically. That is the same thing we discussed in 14. When there is deficient of oxygen, if the cells doesn't get oxygen properly, immediately our muscles, what it will do? It starts to produce energy by anaerobic method. That is called anaerobic respiration. So they begin to respire anaerobically. Next, smoking damages DAS. Smoking damages lungs, because lungs is the main respiratory organ. Okay. Question number 7. Small balloon-like structure that makes the lungs is DAS. Alveoli. So imagine the lungs picture. Trachea. The trachea is divided into two. Each enters into the right lung and left lung. From that, so many branches we can say, that is bronchi, and that bronchi further branched to form bronchioles. At the end of each bronchioles, you find a balloon-like structures that are called alveoli. In alveoli only exchange of gases takes place. That is, oxygen mixed with the blood. At the same time, carbon dioxide coming out of the blood enters into the alveoli. Then it will go out through the nasal cavity and nasal passage and all. Okay. So alveoli are small balloon-like structure that makes the lungs. Okay. Question number 18. Closing and opening of stomata is controlled by a DAS cell. Closing and opening of stomata. Stomata means what? Very small pores present on the leaves. Okay, and those stomata, that small pores are what it will do mainly for the, what is the purpose of the stomata? Gaseous exchange. I told, for photosynthesis and respiration they need gases, carbon dioxide and oxygen. So at the what happened, oxygen and carbon dioxide will enter and exit, it taking place. So it acts like a closing and opening will be there, isn't it? See, if we are entering our home, we have to open the door and we are entering, and we are closing the door. If you want to get out of the home, we are opening the door and we are coming out, and again we are closing the door. Like that, in gaseous exchange also, opening and closing will be there. That should be done by the cells called guard cells. GUARD, guard. Guard means like security. See, if you are visiting any hotels and all, there should be there will be one guard to open the door and close the door. If you want to go inside, they used to do the work opening and closing. Like that, stomata is governed by the guard cells. Is protected by guard cells. What is the duty of the guard cells? Opening and closing. Okay, the gas during the gaseous exchange, if the gas has to be entered, it will open. If the gas has to expel out also, it will open. So opening and closing will be done by the guard cells. Next, birds have DAS for respiration. Like humans, birds are also having lungs. That is the respiratory organ for birds. 20th one, breathing is a part of the process of DAS. Breathing is one of the part of respiration. Okay, breathing means inhalation and exhalation. Respiration means production of energy by the breakdown of food is respiration. Okay, there is a difference, but breathing is one of the part of respiration. Okay, now Roman letter 2, answer in one word or in a sentence. See, most of you didn't well. Some people only did well. So please go through the answers again. Even though if you written wrong, no problem, but try to find out the correct answer. Okay. First one, name an organism that can survive in absence of air. Even without air also, there are some organisms are surviving. One of the best example is yeast. Second one, how do earthworms breathe? See, we discussed about humans, birds, animals, fishes, and even insects also. So how earthworms are breathing? Earthworms breathe through their skins. So skin is the respiratory organ of earthworm. If you take fish, gills. If you take birds, lungs. If you take insects, spiracles. Like that, if you take earthworm, skin is their respiratory organ. What does a breathe mean? A breathe means, what do you mean by breathe? One exhalation and one inhalation is called one breathe. One breathe is equal to one inhalation and one exhalation. That is one intake of air and one giving out of air. Next, question number 4. What forms the floor of the chest cavity? Chest is the region starts from our neck and ends above the stomach. So the end of the chest cavity, what organ, what part you are finding? That is nothing but a diaphragm. Okay, below the lungs or diaphragm sheet will be there. That is the end of the chest cavity. So a large, what you are finding at the floor of the chest cavity? A large muscular sheet. It is fully made up of muscles, so that only it can able to contract and relax. During inhalation it contract, during exhalation the diaphragm relax. So muscular sheet called diaphragm forms the floor of the chest cavity. What is breathing rate? Breathing means one inhalation and one exhalation. Breathing rate means the number of times we are breathing in and breathing out. That is breathing rate. How many times we are breathing in 1 minute? How many times we are breathing in 1 minute? That is one inhalation and one exhalation. How many times we are inhaling and how many times we are exhaling? No, that is called breathing rate. Question number 6. What is cellular respiration? So respiration means, I told, production of energy by breaking down the food in presence of oxygen. Cellular means the whole respiration, this process, that is breakdown of food and conversion of converted into energy in presence of oxygen. No, this process takes place inside the cell, especially in which part of the cell? Mitochondria. And fill in the blanks we have seen. So the process of breakdown of food in the cell with the release of energy is called cellular respiration. Next, Question number 7. When does photosynthesis take place? So when photosynthesis take place? Photo meaning light, synthesis meaning production, otherwise formation. So here itself it was given. So photosynthesis takes place only with the presence of sunlight. So when you can find the sunlight? During daytime. So photosynthesis takes place only in the presence of light. Question number 8. What is stomata and what is its function? What do you mean by stomata? Stomata is nothing but a very tiny spores present on the leaves of the plant. What about its function, ma? Main function is exchange of gases. What gases? Oxygen and carbon dioxide. So, leaves of the plants have tiny pores called stomata. If you see leaves of the leaves, there are very small pores we can't see with our naked eye. Those pores are called stomata, and their function, what is the main function? Exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. In photosynthesis process, they absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. In respiration process, they absorb oxygen and release carbon dioxide. Opposite thing. Question number 9. Name one significant process of getting energy. How we are getting energy? By which process? Respiration is the process. Process name only they asked. Okay. So what is the process? By which process we are getting the energy? Respiration. Question number 10. What is aerobic respiration? What is aerobic respiration? Aerobic means what? Presence of oxygen. Respiration means breaking of food and conversion of energy. So, process of breaking of glucose. Food means glucose. Breakdown of glucose with the use of oxygen, because it is aerobic. So, with the use of oxygen is called aerobic respiration. Okay, see, very few people only did all the one correct. Some of you did fill in the blanks well, but you didn't attend properly the Roman letter 2. So please concentrate, go through the previous videos again and again. There are so many chances to forget the previous concept and all. So go through the video before going to write the test. Please go through all the videos. Then appear for the test. Then only it will be easy for you to write the answers. Okay. Concentrate on your lessons, because I know it is a very tedious time. Only online classes are going on. So please concentrate on your studies, not only biology, all subjects I am saying. Do the test, perform the test well. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can message, you can text me or even call me. Okay. Thank you.